Hey guys, कैसे आप सब? I hope you all guys are safe and doing well. So it's been a long time we haven't reacted to any of the video, but yeah, today we are back and we are back with a bang. So आज इस गाने पे हम react करने जा रहे हैं. It's a Manipuri song, I believe. It's from Tantha channel and we all know Tantha channel के गाने होते हैं बड़े बेहतरीन. So I'm quite excited. तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले जान लेते हैं गाने का नाम. गाने का नाम है Natoudo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but this is what I am getting, Natoudo. And talking about the cast of the song, so इससे पहले मैंने इस कास्ट का कोई काम नहीं देखा, frankly speaking. कास्ट है खाबा, introducing Leja, singer is Chitra. So it's like my first time I'm gonna watch this artist. So yeah, I'm quite excited. If you haven't watched the song, चलिए मिलके देखते हैं, और अगर देखा है तो चलिए रिविजिट करते हैं, you know. So let's get started. Natoudo. So guys, Natoudo का मतलब क्या होता है? Please let me know.
Phong ba xuống âm đi Inak ta chẳng ba phao kỳ đi ban đi đâu Ai na khăn đốc ba yên thốc ba na ta đâu Ai na u hao ba khăn hao ba Nung đi nung si nang đi na đâu đâu lấy thóc ba đứa nào hay đi hè lên nung xí đề mắt tao man thế nào irang buraga lak la ba da nang na hay ginak sida hay na nang bu au jaba hay na nang bu pam jaba hay na nang bu nung si jaba se khang bi ra ba di hay di na tung in gani nang bu ai gi oi gani nang bu phang jana bai di se na jagani ai na khang dok pa ing thok pa na ta to ai na u hao ba khang hao ba yung di nung si nang gi na đâu đâu
Beat is quite catchy as well. But
Wasumatang ang dana mo tanong pa Tumin yeng pa do ay nakalak pa Wasumatang ang dana mo tanong pa Tumin yeng pa do ay nakalak pa Nang bulag pa ngay bada Pukning sewa jay do Nang buyeng pa Fang jaba Wakal se pen gani Hada leirang Na koishu Tau bara Shum na ay di mabu Tasing na Nung si kramale Ay na kang dok pa Yeng thok pa Na ta to Ay na uhaw ba Kang haw ba Nung di nung si nang ginataw do
तो सबसे पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगा This was the first time I was watching this artist and they were amazing. बात करें कोरियोग्राफी की तो यहाँ पे there was few steps they were doing like the hook steps which was nice because this of बहुत कम ही देखने मिलता है ऐसे गानों में. That was cute. Locations so amazing. I think that is the point I always address in my videos, how beautiful Northeast is and how badly I want to visit it. But it is COVID and everything, it's getting delayed. I hope in the future I get an opportunity to visit Northeast and visit some beautiful and amazing places. So yeah, that was my reaction to the song. And if you guys like it, do like this video, subscribe to my channel for more Northeast and other content as well. And do let me know what songs you want me to react. I will definitely check it out. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखें, अपने आसपास के लोगों का ध्यान रखें. मिलूंगा बहुत जल्द किसी और वीडियो में. तब तक पीस आउट.